Hi everybody, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be creating my own sticker pack with this kit that came in the most recent bundle from the Happy Planner Florals pack. Came with some sticker books and this and some DIY stickers and a sticker storage thing that I haven't filled up yet. So anyway, I'm going to take this and kind of create my own custom sticker pack with it. And I think what I'm going to do is make it into a colorful boxes and possibly, if it'll fit, habit tracker kit. So that way they're all kind of in one spot. So if you want to see how that comes together, stay tuned. Alright, so we've got this little screw here that'll come out. I think that's how it works. Yep. To be able to fit the stickers in, and I think this says that it will hold up to 50 sticker sheets, so you can get quite a few in here. And this is trash, so we'll take that out. It does come with a sticker sheet too, so we'll see if this fits in there or not in the end. I do have a bunch of sticker sheets that I have already pulled from a bunch of different sticker packs, so we'll start with those and see how far we get. And yeah, these are all just going to be mostly boxes. Some of them I'll have a few other stickers on them because that's just, you know, how they were in the book. But we'll just, the idea is you just pop them right in here like this. And then when you're all done, you can put this part back on there and you'll have your own custom sticker book. And these come from a variety of different packs, as you can see. So we'll just kind of work on putting these all in there. Some of them are checklists, some of them are boxes, but I had kind of pulled out a bunch of the functional stickers at one point just to make them easier to find, and so now I have a place to put them that's going to be a little better. Some of them ripped, so I may have to wait until I have an empty sheet that I can stick those onto before those will be able to fit in here. But we'll see how far we get. So in the meantime, while I'm putting all this together, I'm trying to think what's been going on. I have been really busy with work stuff lately, so kind of a few long days, and it is so stinking cold here right now, guys. Right now it is, what did you say, 16 below?
16 below.
16 below without the wind chill. So trying to stay inside and stay warm as much as humanly possible. It's supposed to be a pretty cold like that for the next few days. I think we had, I'm going to take the back off of this one and move some of these stickers over, I think. I think yesterday, the last couple days, the high was 0. which was really fun when we were hauling drywall into the house from the garage. That was a bit cold. We are working on a remodeling project in one of the rooms in our basement, and it's gonna be awesome when it's done. But yeah, when the drywall got delivered, it was put in the garage until we needed it, and then yeah, so yesterday when we were bringing it in because we needed it, we got to have the door open in and out with super cold temperatures. So, and even my desk here is in the basement, and even with all the heat on and everything like that, I still have a blanket over my lap because it's just really cold. So anyway, I'm not looking forward to the next couple days when it's still cold like that. It is supposed to warm up later, like by Wednesday, I think, and get into above 0 temps, which will be so nice. But yeah, until then, it's just gotta suck it up and try to remember why I choose to live in such a cold area. Yeah, so it's been cold, work's been busy, got my first COVID shot, immunization dose a week ago, so 2 more weeks then I can get my second one, so looking forward to that. Starting to feel like there's a chance that things can start returning to normal, sooner rather than later, now that that's available. So that's nice. Otherwise, yeah, just trying to find ways to stay warm. So I think might be able to fit a few more things in here. So let's see what we got with these habit trackers. I really hope that the Happy Planner decides to come out with more of these that you can buy individually rather than just have in that bundle pack, because this is really cool, and this one is already full, and I didn't even get all the way through that whole stack. I mean, I could probably fit a few more sheets on here, but yeah, there's room for a few more on there. But I mean, I did get quite a few on there, but it'd be nice to be able to do a few more of these if the chance ever arrives. So yeah, I got that here, and I'm just going to label it quick. We'll maybe write boxes and trackers. And then I'll probably take some of these that were on sheets that didn't have the holes on them, and put them on a couple other sheets as they get emptied out, and stick them in here as well. So anyway, there's my custom book, and now I can just grab it whenever I need a box for something and have it in addition to the Colorful Boxes books. So I hope you got some ideas. If you got your hands on one of these and wanted to did something different with it, let me know what you did. And otherwise, I hope you got some good ideas. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. And until next time, keep being awesome. Thanks. Bye.